Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Date 19th July 2021. Day Monday. Zealous, adjective, fervent. Synonyms: ardent, fervid. Antonyms: apathetic. Example sentence: the council was extremely zealous in the application of the regulations. Appealing, adjective, attractive. Synonyms: engaging, alluring. Antonyms: off-putting. Example sentence: village life is somehow more appealing than cities. Hostility, noun, fighting. Synonyms: conflict, combat. Antonyms: peace. Example sentence: he called for an immediate cessation of hostilities. Relative, adjective, comparative. Synonyms: respective, comparable. Antonyms: absolute. Example sentence: the relative effectiveness of the various mechanisms is not known. Agitate, verb, upset. Synonyms: perturb, fluster. Antonyms: calm. Example sentence: the thought of questioning Tony agitated him extremely. Captivate, verb, enthrall. Synonyms: charm, enchant. Antonyms: repel. Example sentence: he was captivated by her beauty. Abandoned, adjective, uninhibited. Synonyms: reckless, unrestrained. Antonyms: restrained. Example sentence: he performed a wild, abandoned dance. Buttress, verb, strengthen. Synonyms: reinforce, fortify. Antonyms: weaken. Example sentence: he buttressed his idea by religious belief. Prominent, adjective, conspicuous. Synonyms: noticeable, obvious. Antonyms: inconspicuous. Example sentence: the new housing estates are prominent landmarks. Detention, noun, custody. Synonyms: imprisonment, confinement. Antonyms: relinquishment. Example sentence: the 15 people arrested were still in police detention. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.